So I am up on one of the ridges looking for the temperature sensors again because we didn't go out today. We had a heck of a storm last night, and it's still really breezy. We actually were under a tornado warning, so that was exciting. And we had some torrential rains, a little bit of flooding, a bunch of trees came down across the road. So the Forest Service got the trees cleared out, I think, before we would have gone out this morning, but there's no way we would be able to hear any birds. The winds are like, 10 to 15 miles an hour with 20 plus mile an hour gusts. But yeah, so I'm looking for these temperature sensors. We have 2 left, and there's one that is not on a transect, which is the one I'm trying to find, and I have no idea where it is. So I'm not terribly enthused. So we'll see how it goes. I may just walk back down and, I don't know. If I can't find it, I can't really do much about it, but we'll see.